Headaches can be very disruptive to one's life. They can be caused due to stress, could even be genetic like migraines, and may even result from food allergies. Many also suffer from sinus headaches caused by inflammation, inducing throbbing pain and pressure around the nose and cheeks. Essential oils can help by relaxing the muscles of your head and neck region and can relieve any emotional or physical anxiety and stress. Once your tension subsides, the headache will also disappear. Let's prepare an aromatherapy blend containing such essential oils. For this, you'll need a 1 ounce amber blue or green glass bottle. I have the amber one here. Take 3 drops of lavender oil in the bottle. Lavender is very good for headaches caused due to stress or neck tension. Then add 3 drops of Roman Chamomile oil. Now add 3 drops of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus increases blood flow to the head, which can help decrease inflammation, providing relief from a headache caused by sinus and other infections. And finally, we're going to add 3 drops of peppermint oil. The stems of peppermint contain menthol, which is a pain reliever and helps relieve headaches caused by muscle tension and nasal congestion. Then fill the remaining bottle with sesame oil. Sesame oil is also very grounding and good for headaches. Close the bottle tightly and roll it to blend all the ingredients together. So now you can take 2 drops on both index fingers and massage into each temple. You can also put 3 drops on a tissue and inhale. Alternatively, you can also add 5 drops to a pot of hot water, place a towel over your head, close your eyes, and inhale the vapors for a few minutes. This blend can be diffused into your room if you're resting your headache. Peppermint is both a cooling and heating oil depending on how much you use. Using too much can be irritating, so it's important to always follow directions for any blend. Chamomile is part of the ragweed family, so if you're allergic to ragweed, substitute it with more lavender. Take care.